Hi everyone, I'm Christina, and we have a breaking news update concerning Hawaii and all the quakes and tremors that have been going on. We know that the floors collapsed, and the lava's been moving east. We even had a 5.0. It was like a 4.8, but they upgraded it to a 5.0. They were talking about evacuations, and now it looks like we have some breaking news. It says Hawaii Civil Defense. Lava is emitting from a crack in the ground in the Leilani subdivision on Big Island in Hawaii. Flash alert, major event on the Big Island. Okay, because it's got this ticker that's going through. So just give me a second here. The governor had just called out the National Guard. Okay, so looks like there's a big crack under this neighborhood and lava is coming out. It says homes are being lost. Fast moving lava with earthquake tremors. Sirens are now sounding in Leilani Estates, and that's where USGS has been saying these earthquakes are coming from. More drone video shows the fountains of lava in the subdivision. This is crazy. Okay, this is like, wow. Okay, so yes, this is a major event, and I'm sure that um, there's going to be news about this, but it does look like they are evacuating the area. This has become super serious, and it's finally caught the attention of everyone, you know. But we've had so many tremors in that area. And it's no wonder that scientists and people in general are wondering if it's going to erupt anytime soon. And we noticed that when it flooded, that the water was kind of this orangish red color, which is iron oxide, very common for that to come from volcanoes and turn things red, orange, you know. So our prayers here at my house are going to go out to everyone in Hawaii. Let the rest of the world know if you've got people out there, check on them, okay? Pray, and we'll keep an eye out on this. God bless you all, and I will talk to you soon.